So here we have this system. Okay, so there are two masses, 5 kg and 4 kg. So this pulley is the fixed pulley, this pulley P1, suppose if I call it P1 pulley, and this another pulley is P2. Okay, so now what we have to find out, we have to find out the accelerations of these two blocks. So now let's draw the free body diagram for 4 kg block. Okay, so for 4 kg block the free body diagram will look something like this. So this is a 4 kg block. Here the upward force is the tension and the downward force is the mg force. So let's write 4g instead of mg. So 4g, and let's assume that this block is moving downwards. So this will be 4g minus t is equal to 4a. This is Newton's second law, by the way. This is our first equation. So we assume that the acceleration of 4 kg mass is towards down with the value of a. Now let's look at this pulley P2. Now the pulley P2 is not fixed pulley, it is movable pulley, right? So suppose if I take this as my origin, some kind of origin, and if I take the coordinate of this pulley P2 from that origin as x, okay, so the distance of this pulley P2 from this origin is x. That is the vertical distance, by the way. So now total length, suppose this is y, okay, this is y, the 4 kg block coordinate from the origin, vertical distance, by the way, y. So if I have to find out the length of this yellow string, what I have to do, that means we have to add x 2 times, because there are 2x, right, x, this one and this one. So this is 2x plus this length y. So 2x plus y will give you the total length of the string. Now if I differentiate with respect to time, what I will get, 2x dot plus y dot is equal to 0. So now x dot is the differential with respect to time. So again if I differentiate, what I will get y double dot is equal to minus 2 x double dot. Okay, so what does this mean is that the x, if there is a acceleration of this pulley P2 which is a, then the acceleration of this 4 kg block is 2a, right? So that's what we mean. So if the acceleration of this pulley, this 4 kg mass is a, suppose we have taken a acceleration for this, then the acceleration of 5 kg block will be a by 2. So now for 5 kg block we can draw the free body diagram. So for 5 kg block, let me draw here. This is 5 kg block. The upward force is, now here there are two tensions, okay, so this one T and this one T, so this will add up to 2T. Okay, so this is 2T. Downward force is 5G. Now we are assuming that it is going upwards, so 2T minus 5G is equal to 5A. Okay, so you can assume that any of the block will go upward or downwards, but your answer will change accordingly. For example, if the answer is negative, then the chosen direction was not correct. For example, here 4 kg direction, I assume that it is going upward over here, right, and I denoted that acceleration a. So then I will say that, okay, then if I find out the value of a to be negative, then that means it was not going up, it was going down. Okay, that's the difference. So here we are assuming 4 kg block is moving up, okay, and the 5 kg block is, 4 kg block is moving down, and we are assuming that 5 kg block is moving up. Okay, so here instead of a, I have to write a by 2, by the way, okay, because of this relation over here. Now what we have to do, we have to find out, we have to solve these two equations, right, 1 and 2. So let me write these two equations again. So let's multiply the first equation by 2. So 2 into 4 into 2t into 2 into 4. So this will become 8g minus 2t is equal to 8a. Now we have to add these two equations 1 and 2. So adding this, what we will get, 8g minus 5g is 3g, okay, and 8 plus 5 by 2 into a, right? So this is 3g is equal to 16 plus 5 divided by 2 times a. So a will be 3g. 16 plus 5 is, by the way, 21, if I am not wrong, 21, and into 2, so here into 2, so 3 into 7, 21, so I get acceleration as 2g by 7. So acceleration of this block is 2g by 7. Which block? This block, 4 kg block. So for 4 kg block, the acceleration is 2g by 7, and for the 5 kg block, the acceleration is 4g by 7, okay, 4g by 7, because 5, sorry, yes, it will be a by 2, right? So it will be a by 2. For 5 kg it will be a by 2, so it will be a by 2, so that is g by 7. So 5 kg block acceleration is g by 7 meter per second square, and for 4 kg block it is 2g by 7. So 4 kg block is indeed going down and 5 kg is going up.